Hey, how's it going? This is Buffalo Shane, and we are getting ready to go on another adventure. We are going to Toronto, Canada, to go to Ikea and Medieval times. It's going to be me, my daughters, and my mother. So, but last night the girls slept over at their aunt's house, so I'm going to get my mom and we're going to go pick them up and head to Canada. This is the first time the girls have gone across the border. First time I've taken them across the border, so I hope I have all the documentations and we can actually do this video and do what we planned. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see videos of our future adventures. I hope you enjoy and come along with us.
Thank you.
All right, so we got the girls.
Oh, you already did your intro?
Off to Tim Hortons.
Wait,
And then Toronto, Canada.
Yay! Off my jacket. Oh my nails, so pretty.
Can I get a large coffee, 1 cream? A medium iced coffee, unsweetened, no lemon.
No. Iced tea.
Iced tea, yeah. Sorry. Yep. A small iced coffee, half cream, 2 shots of mocha.
We're on the highway. Look at all those chickens.
Chickens?
Look at all those chickens. Wait, do it again, Kaylynn. Do it again. Look at all those chickens. There's the Bison Stadium place. Wow. I'm not saying that.
You say boobs, Kaylynn say beds. Ready?
Okay, ready, boobs.
Come on, Kaylynn, or else can't even breathe.
We're going over the Blue Bridge.
We're going over the boob bitch.
Don't swear at the camera. My gosh. Oh. Hi. Hi. I'm stinks. Kaylynn has a song for you. Banana, banana, hey, hey, hey.
Banana.
Hi. You like hi. Okay, ready, sing again. Banana, banana, hey, banana, banana. Hi. Hi.
Apples.
I farted. Ew. I really shouldn't have said that.
For Canada.
Oh my god, look at it! Why does it have to look so pretty? Nice! Canada, Canada, Canada!
Alright, guys.
Clean it up.
I can't see.
That's how high it is.
Well, we made it to Ikea in Toronto, Canada.
Did you get that?
Yeah, Kierra's doing the I have to pee dance. So we're in Ikea home furniture store in the showroom. The girls are playing a scavenger hunt looking for sharks. It's a shark. Ah.
What they got for kids' meals? Over there. If you back yourselves up, you can go online too.
I'm gonna do the meatballs, the 12. Swedish meatballs are awesome. They really are, Kierra. They really are.
Thank you.
Uh-oh.
Kierra found her glory of pillows and blankets.
Yeah. And there she goes.
Someone help me in here.
You're not going to lay in there. Alright, we're finished with Ikea. We got food. We got a bunch of stuff we're planning on buying next trip we come back. And now we're going to go and check out Toronto. Not really sure what we're going to do, but we got a couple hours before medieval times. So, we'll figure it out.
What color we?
So we are at the St. Lawrence Marketplace in downtown Toronto, just checking it out.
Really? Why are you squishing me?
And yeah, just one of those little marketplace areas.
Isn't
Kinda
that why
different.
it's called the marketplace?
Yeah. Kierra here is being a smartass.
Well, you just said we're at this marketplace with the marketplace. What?
Get some cookie cutters. Female bacon style on a soft country roll. Carousel Bakery. Yeah. The girls just tried some macaroons, which are actually really good. And Kira's running from the pigeons. Bob, the pigeon woman, the pigeon queen. Kaylynn just tried something new. She tried a macaroon. She tried a dark chocolate and a coconut. Yeah, the door's on that side. So Kaylynn, what did you think?
It was great. I have so much energy now.
Kira's eating her red velvet one.
I had cream cheese.
Alright, so we're made it to medieval times. We are walking in. It is freezing.
And there are many wonders to behold inside our humble castle.
And on this glorious occasion, our chefs have been working tirelessly in our royal kitchens, preparing a feast in your honor. So please do come inside and join us. Indeed, but first, my lord Baroness, right up, raise a mighty cheer for Her Majesty the Queen. Hip, hip.
Hey!
Beautifully done.
No.
$20.
So we made it in here.
Here's a castle dungeon.
Castle dungeon. You're gonna go in there. Nice.
Yeah.
So Kierra and Ba got shirts. Kaylynn got a
We
necklace.
got matching shirts.
Matching shirts. And I got a coffee mug.
Sign up now for items just inside the main hall. There's still time to sign up.
Kierra, what was that? That's how horses dance?
This is, I love this, my necklace.
Excellent idea, my queen. All right, Harold. Trumpet up! Beautifully played, Harold. Beautifully played indeed. My lords, my ladies, gather around the great hall. It is time for our first knighting ceremony this evening. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Sir Richard of Arundel. I am the Lord Marshal of this castle. I will be your master of ceremonies for this evening, but much more important than either of those, I am humble servant to the one, the only, Her Majesty the Queen! Really? Majesty, it would seem that a great many, indeed almost every single one of your guests have travelled from so far away, they are completely unfamiliar with how one is supposed to cheer for royalty in the local manner. May I provide instruction in the local custom?
Please do.
You are kind and forgiving, my queen. My lords, my ladies, when someone is introduced by the title of queen, many adjectives are implied. Beauteous? Yes. Gracious? Certainly. Kind? Of course. Also implied are that she is all-knowing, all-powerful, and holds the fate of everyone in the realm in the palm of her hand. And as a result, it is more than customary, and indeed more than little wise, to raise a mighty, heartfelt, and enthusiastic cheer. But don't worry, my friends, I will help you out. If I were to say, hip hip, what would you say? Hooray! All right, so the 12 or so of you who understood that, please pass it on to everyone else. And now, my friends, for real, let us raise a truly mighty cheer for Her Majesty the Queen. Hip hip! Hooray!
Oh, yes, they are quick learners.
Indeed, they are as clever as they are good-looking, Your Majesty. My Queen, we have a very special individual who wishes to be raised to nobility by your royal person, with your permission.
Permission granted.
Majesty, we summon the Lady Lexi into your presence. Lady Lexi. Welcome, my lady. We're going to have you sit right there on that cushion. It's such a lovely gown, but we'll drape it over this shoulder so you don't want to cover up the beautiful gown. I'm just going to lift that, so let's get across. Perfect. Because it's such a beautiful gown, Majesty. Now, Your Majesty, the Lady Lexi is being raised up to become an official Princess of the Realm this day in honor of a happy 8th birthday! Hip hip! Hooray! Happy birthday, my lady.
Yes, a momentous occasion indeed. Of course, are you ready, my lady? In the name of God, and by the grace of Saint Michael and Saint George, I dub thee a lady and princess of the realm. I grant thee the right to dispatch knights on missions of justice and mercy. And of course, your most beauteous smile, my lady, right this way.
On your right.
Yep. All right, so I'll go in first.
Yep, let Dave in first.
Then I'll go in.
And then you.
1, 2, 3, 4. Here. What do you think?
We're front row.
What do you think, Kaylynn?
Front row.
I think these girls are excited.
Yeah.
Yeah, look how close we are. This thing's pretty cool. Girls ready for the show?
Yeah.
Girls ready for the show?
Yeah. Yeah, but what about Mom?
She's coming. She'll be right back.
Good and gracious nobles, welcome! Join us as we embark upon a journey into the heart of chivalry, of bold knights, elegant horses, and the quest for a champion. The hundreds of knights in service to the Queen boldly petitioned Her Majesty to hold a great tournament in order to find one who would stand as protector of the realm and defender of the throne. One warrior who shall bear the crest of the Queen, and who shall be in all things the bringer of the Queen's grace, or the instrument of the Queen's justice. In one passage of arms after another, these 6 knights have arisen as the finest in the art of war. Tread lightly in the dark, my friend. For the lion sleeps with his eyes open. Work and dreams of a lifetime are swept away with a roar from the deathless house of Castilla! Great is the grief of the noble houses whose banners have fallen and been crushed under the weight of the Lion of Talahora. Hear now the darkening roar of terror uncaged, and behold, the young lion, DeRoche the Red Knight! Once the hood has been removed, the age-old dance of the hunter and the hunted begins.
Behold, she takes wing!
Here you got a flower from a knight.
Very well. Then I say, let this next game begin!
Wait, what did she get?
Yeah, what'd you get? Hot. This is queen of the tournament.
Well struck, Red Knight! Now choose a weapon!
No one's cheering over there.
doubles, I give you the champion of this tournament, the mighty Castilla, the Red My lord, this is the charismaticest of those whose banners have graced this field.
And yet,
How was it, Kay?
Great.
Yeah?
Can't believe we won.
Kierra, what'd you think? You like it?
Yeah, I loved it.
Yeah?
It's not open, Dad.
Alright, awesome time.
Alright. What was your favorite part?
The battle.
Becoming the queen of the tournament.
The battles.
You like the battles?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so it's just after 11:30. We just got home from our day in Toronto and at Medieval Times. The girls are exhausted. They had a lot of fun and they are going to sleep. Kaylynn is already on the couch. Kierra's getting her pajamas on. So don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to see our future adventure videos. Until next time.